Hi guys, yeah, this is Wabili project, Wabili concept. Currently we are in Ibadan. This is Ibadan. Look at this project here. This is Wabili project. We started this project from toilet door. I think I did a video on this project here about what you should do before starting a tiling job. And in that video, I made the installation of the toilet door. I made the installation of the wooden subframe wall. I did it some times ago. So today, guys, I am stressed already. We have been on the installation of the wooden door. This is what we are currently doing now. And this wooden door, we have it about 13 numbers of door. We have done the tiling by Wabili concept. We have done all that things. So I will be taking you around this project so we can see what is currently going on. So as you can see, work is going on here. The first thing we did here in this house project is we did the subframe door. We did the subframe and we did the installation of toilet door. If you are doing toilet wooden doors, toilet steel doors, what you should do is aluminum glass door. This is the type of aluminum glass door we use for this project. This is the aluminum glass door we use for this project, and because of water, the distance of this wall to water, so that if wooden door is used for this kind of toilet, the wooden door won't last longer. This is how we recommended this type of wooden door as aluminum glass door. And then after the subframe, after the installation of this aluminum glass door, the tiling begins, and this is the tiling job. We have white tiling, and we have the cubicle base, we have divider, cubicle center. So then the next after tiling is the installation of the wooden door and the handrails. It's also Wabili that is currently handling the handrails job. Look at the handrail. It's going to go through this way up to the upper level. So we are currently handling the installation of the wooden doors, and this color is called Wenge. We have the kitchen glass door. This is the kitchen glass door. This is the kitchen glass door, and this is the room door. This is the room door as what we are currently doing at this project. This is Ibadan, and this is Wabili project. All the accessories are on ground. We have about 13 numbers of door to be installed here. So guys, currently in the market, this door is now 120,000 naira. That is the market price. Installation is not included. This is 140,000 naira. That's the market price. This is the visitor's toilet. This is the visitor's toilet. All installed perfectly. Locking system working perfectly. This is still under installation. We're going to cut wood here. So guys, this is Wabili project in Ibadan. So guys, I'm taking you around. The handrails is also by Wabili concept. So we're going to put glass, ultimate glass, check the handrails also. So perfect work is going on here. This is the visitors. This is the master toilet. Tiling by Wabili concept. Check the concepts. Tiling. The wall tiling and also the sectional divider. And this is going to have jacuzzi bath is going to be here. It's about 5 feet. Here is a cubicle base, and all is set. This is Wabili concept. So we are good to go.